in SM City, Pampanga in San Fernando City. And we're going to Sky Ranch inside the SM Pampanga.
Yeah, we're already in Sky Ranch. Okay, let's go. In restaurant already don't have people because time now, guys, 8 p.m. Pampanga Eye. Maybe we can see even dark. Music same like Christmas. Okay, you ask where tickets. We can buy tickets. You first ask, open or not?
Open where?
Need buy ticket. Until 9. 9 only close. Okay, let's go. Why you slowly? I can pay Gcash, Shaira. You ask first. Ay?
Pampanga Eye, dalawa, right?
Yes. Pampanga Eye, Dalawa. Dalawa.
300.
Ay?
300.
Can I pay Gcash?
Sorry sir, but...
Cash only. Okay. Not. Okay, let's go, Shaira, because time 15 minutes. After
I've
15
been there.
50 minutes. You been with a space.
No, the other side there.
Where you been?
There. The last one. No, I don't like already.
Shaira said like he want again.
No.
Okay.
You want if I go to hospital faster?
Hospital?
Yes.
Oh, check your height, Shaira, check your height.
Hi.
5 feet. Shaira have 5 feet. Leon, I don't know. Leon.
Red. You think I'm small?
Okay. Pampanga Eye. Going to in. Entrance. Okay, inside. This is in. Faster, Shaira. Faster. Okay. Next time we're going to daytime. Daytime may be better. Oh, with aircon also. Oh, very good. Thank you.
It's with the aircon.
With aircon, I think. Oh, water from aircon.
Water from aircon.
This is the same Pampanga, biggest Pampanga in Pampanga province. It's more bigger than in the SM City Clark. Or maybe already same. Maybe same. Yes, I will take flashlight because cannot see Shaira reaction. Shaira afraid. So you afraid, Shaira? But your first time?
Yes.
Ah, really first time?
But in airplane, it's okay for me, but I don't know.
But I think it's strong construction, is
Mhm.
good. So don't worry, it's no cannot broke.
Cannot broke, but I'm scared of height.
No, you can see view, good view. Daytime, need daytime.
I...
Okay.
Don't move.
This is gate. This is gate from the NLEX. If going to the from Angeles, you can take NLEX, and this is exit. It's very close from Pampanga, SM Pampanga and Sky Ranch. It's easy. From Angeles, it's about maybe 30 minutes. It's half hour only ride. Drive car. Shaira, if you're afraid, better you not next time not go to this way.
Of course, that's why I said to you.
Maybe daytime is okay for you? No?
I want to vomit already because I'm scared. We're going down, right? Yes, we're going down.
I don't know.
Yes, it's going down.
We already going down. Yes, yes,
We're in
yes.
the top before.
We got up before.
So we forgot to take picture again.
Take picture. I've been before in the I've been before in the same Mall of Asia, in Mall of Asia.
I mean, also in
Mall of
Mall
Asia without aircon.
Also, I've been in Mall of Asia. And the other one, Paskong Paslang. It's also a state carnival in Manila, in Pasay. Because you have tour before in high school, and every year we need all students from first year who want to go to tour, so they will go to zoo and carnival also. But still,
Already we going down, Shaira. Don't worry.
don't move.
Why not move? Shaira don't want if I move.
They cannot see you.
Yes, but I not move because if Shaira don't want move, I not move. I don't want to take video from because if I take video, need to stand, but she don't want if I stand.
Because I want to vomit if you move.
Okay.
Same you're in bus or van, same only. Same feeling you want to vomit. Same I wanna go here. Natin taras ng korwe. I want to see your face only. That
Okay, you see my face. Okay, we already made.
Moving. Moving.
Oh, not moving.
Ayun.
We already going down. Cold, Shaira, or you afraid only?
Cold and afraid.
Okay, okay, Shaira, go outside. Oh, thank you. Exit, Shaira, exit. Oh, you want again, I think. You don't like? Why? Oh, so many girls. Take picture. Where exit? I don't know. No, where? Where exit? Oh, take a look. Wait. You want to ride?
No, I don't.
It's for children, I know.
I remember I've been here with my sister and then we bought waffle meat. That's good also.
This.
Waffle meat. Meat
Uh-huh.
or meat? Same
I don't know.
Meat. It's meat. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.